Hey Poke People, Love Squad! Welcome to Girls, Games and Gogs, and welcome to another episode of Pokémonday. Sorry for missing out last week, but do not fear, I am here. So, we're going to do something a little bit different this week. We're doing mystery packs that are opened. I don't think, as you can see, we've got 5, and we're just going to open them up and see if we get anything good. I'll try and see if I can get like average values and see if we got our money's worth kind of thing. If this is the kind of thing you want to see, then please comment down below. And to keep seeing more of us, remember to hit that like and hit that subscribe. And all our socials are mentioned in the description. Thanks again for tuning in, and we're just going to jump straight in. We're gonna have scissors. Okay. We're just going to jump straight in because I got these almost 2 weeks ago. And I've been dying to open them. And what was my other reason? We're just gonna jump straight in. I don't want to flip it around because I think like one of the enjoying things about watching unopenings, unboxings, is seeing people's faces. So I'm just gonna go for it so I can feel. Ooh! A Celestial Storm booster pack. Oh, it's a sampling pack, so there's 3 additional cards. I've never opened, I don't think I've got any Celestial Storm, so that's cool. Hello? I don't know if I've got that one either. I think I do. Do I? So this is one of the promos that came out for Pokemon the first movie, and it's a lovely Dragonite in the condition. It's not too shabby. It's obviously on the sleeve, and I didn't even notice what the other one was. This one's not on the sleeve. It's a first edition though. Always like a first edition. That's not bad for first pack. Come on. That's nice. I'm happy. We'll just open this right away. Yeah. We'll just open it. It says Celestial Storm from Sun and Moon. I've never opened a Celestial Storm, and I've never opened a sampling pack. I've never opened like a. Looks like I never will. I do know first card book, so we'll just. So you get a little booklet, and we've got a Sneasel, a Shubbit, and a Mudkip. They're great. It's nice artwork though, isn't it? And that was 3 commons. So I think with the sampling packs you've got a chance of anything. You can get like an ultra rare, secret rare in these. So that's a first pack. A first edition Venom. Where's my sleeves? I should have that in a sleeve. Hello, it's a first edition. Always have a first edition. I think I've only got one. No. I don't have much first editions, so. Oh, it's a card list. That's what you got in the little pack. It's quite cute actually. It's like a mini card list. That's quite cute. I like that. So next one, it just feels like cards. It doesn't feel like there's a pack. No. Oh, a promo that I don't have. Definitely don't have him. Absolutely do not have him. It's another Wizards of the Coast promo. And it doesn't say anything about how you got it, so I'll have to find out how you got it. It's 38, but I definitely don't have him, so that's awesome. That'll go into the promo binder. Also, we've got a Mewtwo. Ooh, I saw something sneaky there as well. Another promo. That's another Wizards of the Coast promo. It's not in the best. That one's in not the best condition. I'll be honest. I'll put photos up, so don't worry. And I can't remember if I've got him. And this one's in like a nicer sleeve, so I'm guessing that it's another one that come out for Pokemon the first movie. Another promo. That one looks to be in okay condition as well. But again, I don't think I'll have him, so that's always good. So we're 2 packs down. Yeah, I'll put photos up and we'll do a little recap at the end. Again, no packs in this one. I've got 2 in this one. So I'll show you this beautiful one. I don't think I have him. This is so bad, I can't remember what I've got and what I'm doing. Another Wizards of the Coast, but it's a Hollow Raichu from Fossil. And in the back we got a shiny Morpeko from Shining Fates, which we don't have either. Definitely don't have that one. I only have one shiny. Yeah, I was just checking that over. I only have one shiny from Shining Fates, and it's not that one. So that's always cool. And this one feels a bit bigger. Feels like there's more in this one. Ooh, there's a nice sleeve here. A Stormy Break, I think I've got him. We're not keen on the break one. I'm not a big fan of the break cards. Is that Volcanon? Is that what he's called? It's Japanese. Oh, there's another V behind it. He's super cool. We don't have him. We don't have any Japanese. And an Eldegoss V. Oh no, it's a promo. It's shiny. I'm happy with that. Any promo, I'm happy. So far the only one that I'm not too keen on is Stormy Break Saws. Yeah, if you want to see more mystery packs, let me know. I'm very keen on mystery packs. Whether it be eBay, Facebook, whatever. Just let me know if that's the kind of thing you want to see. Oh damn, the first card that I know that I definitely have. Dreadnought V from Champion's Path. Definitely have him because I can remember pulling him and being really chuffed. Oh, we don't have him. Sentis Scorch V. Is he a promo? No. From Shining Fates. He's so cool. Right, next. Oh, Bulbasaur from the McDonald's. And a Chikorita from the McDonald's, what's it called? Happy Meals. So that's what they're doing just now. That's a really cute Chikorita though, isn't it? It's like a nice little hand-drawn one. It's really cute. And Bulbasaur, of course, you can't go wrong with the Bulbasaur. I think I've already got him as well. I don't have Chikorita, but I definitely have the Bulbasaur. You get all of these in non-hold as well. So you're getting them in McDonald's. Happy Meals. So, and that was another pack. So, first pack we opened, we got our Celestial Storm. Sorry. Our Celestial Storm. What's it called? There's a lot of things in it. Sampling pack. A Shuppet. And a Sneasel. We got a first edition Venonat from Jungle, and we got the Dragonite promo for the first Pokemon movie. I remember going and seeing that in cinemas. I definitely do. Second pack was, I think that was the Electabuzz. It's the Electabuzz, also from the first movie. The Unknown. I'm not sure what these two promos were for, but I can find out. And like I said, I think I have Mewtwo. I'm not 100%, but I don't have any of the rest of them. Then we got our Raichu. You can see the holo like around there. You can see the holo around the edges. But again, these are just for my binder. So they'll all get sleeved and get put into the binder because I definitely don't think I've got him. Then we had these ones though, nice. Again, Eldegoss, sorry, was a promo, so always happy with the promo. And like I said, I think he's Volcanon, I think that's what he's called. Then the last purchase, I'm really, wow. Like I I said, I'll take pictures of all these. I'm just happy that I've opened them. And the first one that I said that I definitely have. And the second one that I said that I definitely have. So, that wasn't bad. So that was 5 mystery boxes. I'll just double check that I'm with so yeah, it was 5 mystery boxes. I can't remember, I think they were £10 each. So I will have to check like eBay recent solds to see how we did in terms of value. I think that Dragonite can go for quite a lot. Yeah, they're definitely empty. I'm pretty sure he can go for quite a lot, and so can the Electabuzz. No wonder. Look how cool they are. So I'll put them all into my sleeves, my little snug fit sleeves. Why did I not even think of taking them off? That was really silly. Oh, the Morpeko's not in good condition actually either. You can see a bit of bleed. You're not going to be able to see it right here. There's a little hole of bleed around the edges, which I've actually never seen in a new card. I've only ever seen it in the Wizards of the Coast ones. But what I'll do next is I'll video putting them into the binder and see how we get on. So, super short one for today, but let me know if mystery boxes are the kind of thing you want to see. Mystery boxes, mystery packs, mystery boxes, mystery deliveries, I don't know, whatever. I definitely think I'll go for them again because it's fun, isn't it? You don't know what you're going to get. You're going to get something from like Shining Fates, you're going to get Wizards of the Coast, so that's really cool. And a first edition, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, let me know, and of course, thank you so much for watching. I know everyone's busy, so everyone takes their time out of their day to watch. It really means a lot. So thank you so much. And if you can, please check out our other socials. I'll link them in the description. Stay safe, happy collecting, and see you.